Hey there, Food Fact for you, family. Welcome back to another tasty episode. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of avocados. Now, who doesn't love this creamy green fruit? But hold on, before you slice into that avocado toast or whip up some guac, there are some crucial mistakes you'll want to avoid. Stick around as we uncover the 6 mistakes you should never commit while eating an avocado. Mistake number 1, not letting your avocado ripen properly. Now, I know the temptation is real when you see those beautiful avocados at the store, but patience is key. Wait until your avocado yields slightly to gentle pressure. Trust me, it's worth the wait for that perfect creamy texture. Mistake number 2, mishandling the avocado while cutting it. The dreaded avocado hand. To avoid a trip to the emergency room, here's a simple trick. Place the avocado on a cutting board, grip it firmly, and carefully slice around the pit. Then twist and separate the halves. Voila! No more avocado mishaps. Mistake number 3, leaving the pit in your leftover guacamole. We've all been there, right? You make a delicious batch of guac, but the next day, it's turned an unappetizing shade of brown. The solution? Remove the pit and cover your guacamole with plastic wrap, making sure it touches the surface to prevent oxidation. Mistake number 4, storing your avocado improperly. If you've only used half an avocado, don't just leave the other half out on the counter. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap or store it in an airtight container with a slice of onion to keep it fresh and green for longer. Mistake number 5, not knowing how to pick the perfect avocado. When you're at the store, don't just grab any avocado willy-nilly. Look for ones that are free from bruises or soft spots and give them a gentle squeeze to check for ripeness. And remember, the darker the skin, the riper the avocado. Last but not least, mistake number 6, not experimenting with different avocado recipes. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in everything from smoothies to salads to desserts. So don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try something new. And there you have it, folks. 6 mistakes you should never commit while eating an avocado. Remember to ripen it properly, handle it with care, store it correctly, pick the perfect one at the store, and most importantly, get creative with your avocado recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy eating.